Okay, so we've looked at our cricket data. We've decided it looks kind of linear. Now's the time to actually find the line of best fit. So we'll do that on our calculator. Sorry, let me just go over there. Well, the first thing we need to do is enter the cricket data. We've already done that from when we were graphing the data. So the cricket data is in there. And again, it's very important that your data be in the correct place. X data goes into L1, Y data goes into L2. Now, to the Stat menu, we press the Stat button. We scroll over to the right. And here's a bunch of statistics that can be done. And our calculator, this is such a ridiculous thing, offers two linear regression commands, and they're literally identical. I mean, it doesn't matter which of these you choose. Let's select the first linreg option. You might not be seeing this screen if you're using a TI-83 or whatever, but let's suppose you do see this screen. Let's just scroll down. You see again, by default, your X is in L1, your Y's in L2. That's why I keep telling you to put that data there, because it's where your calculator will assume your data is. And we press calculate, and we get the line of best fit. Y equals 1.143x plus 30.281. And now, just because it's almost unbelievable to me, let's go back to Stat. And let's select the second linear regression option. And let's verify that it really is exactly the same. The only difference is that which of the variables you call A and which of the variables you call B. So we've still got 1.143x plus 281. So that's linear regression. If you're using some other, say a TI-83 calculator, I can't show it to you because I don't have one, and I don't have therefore legal access to a BIOS. But if you're on a TI-83 calculator, then when you select the linear regression command, you should just be taken back to your home screen with the word linreg up here. You're going to press the Enter key and the linear regression will be done. So maybe before we end this video, let's go to y equals, and let's graph this line. And let's go to stat plot and turn this plot back on so that the data points and the line will be shown at the same time. And there's our data, there's our line of best fit. One of these data points is kind of far away from the line. The third one, if you're reading from left to right. But other than that, this line of best fit seems to do quite a nice job of coming close to the data points. In the next video, we'll consider this a little further. In particular, we'll introduce a statistical measurement that tells you sort of how linear your data is. But I think for this video, that's about everything.